here with you, and I'm here to do some diamond painting. I'm gonna do one for from Onedaysaving, and I'm gonna do the little gnome. So I don't know exactly which one yet, but I will be doing one of these keychains, so it's both sides. And I'm going to be using the tools that they had sent to me previously in one of the videos that I did. I love these tools so much. It's so much nicer to use this thing here than this thin little thing. Like it makes your hand it just makes it so much easier. And you've got different sizes of bits that you can put on top. However, because it's very small, I usually use only one, but you know, you could have the possibility of using more if you needed. So we will get this going, and I think I'm probably gonna do the little girl here, and yeah, take it from there. So see you guys soon in a speed up fashion. guys, so I'm finished. Here's my little gnome. So pretty, so sparkly. And then all I need to do is just put in this little thing to tie it. So it could be hung on to a purse or used to put keys or as an ornament. There's all sorts of ways that you could use this. Like if you have, for example, some big notebooks, you could hang it from the notebook as well. But isn't that so pretty? So I hope that you've enjoyed seeing me make this little one. I will be making the other ones off camera because obviously it takes a long time to do. But I love that there's not that many many different types of the diamonds. It makes it easier to you know, like to do all of them. And yeah, so it was a lot of fun. And I hope you go and check out the Onedaysaving. In the description box below, there will be a link to the products that I've used, including this and this, as well as a discount code. So don't forget to go and check them out. And love you guys. See you soon. Bye.